I can bet 60% of you will not listen to this advice in 2020 because of this COVID 19. And that advice is that you must focus irrespective of the circumstances. And I'm sure you all will say, "Ki, how is it possible to concentrate, to focus when we don't know what our future is? A future is not seen. We are not very clear what is going to happen." Well, still, I am going to advise you that you must always stay focused. Some people, irrespective of their circumstances and the situation, they have the tremendous ability to achieve focus and to concentrate on something. And we admire that focus, or that is known as a razor focus. Now, these people with great focus have learned one thing, and which is very, very important and simple. If you have a focus on anything, then it is very easier for you to achieve that thing. It is very simple, but very difficult for some people to implement. When I am talking about focus, I am talking about that focus which Rohit Sharma has when he plays cricket and he faces the pace bowler. When the ball is coming at 145 kilometers per hour, that is the focus. Irrespective what the audience or what the spectators are talking about, they are shouting, they are cheering, they are everything. He is not bothered. He is just focusing on that ball because in milliseconds that it can create problem for him. That is the focus. Other example which I want to give about is about the surgeons. When they carry out the operations, especially the brain surgeon, the heart surgeon, that is the focus. Because if we don't focus, then they will not be able to operate such minutely. So it is very, very important. But how do we achieve this focus? Is it that we say कि okay, I will focus now? क्या इतना आसान है कि हम कहते हैं कि जी क्लास में टीचर जाती है, बच्चों को बोलती है, बच्चे प्लीज पे अटेंशन, प्लीज कॉन्सेंट्रेट. इज इट इजी और इट इज डिफिकल्ट? It is very difficult if you don't have interest in what you are seeing or what you are learning. Now I'll tell you, there are two things which are important to have a focus. Firstly, you must be caring about that thing. Like in case of a mother, her focus is on the child, irrespective of where she is, but her attention is always there because she is caring about her child. And second is the passion. If you are passionate about something, then automatically your attention, your focus, your concentration will go toward that side. So these are the two things which are very, very important if you want to have focus on something. Either you care for that thing or you have passion for something. Now I'll give you an example. In a class, you will find that there are two teachers. Once one teacher goes inside and teaches the class, you will find there is a lot of ruckus going on, students are shouting, students are not listening, and teacher time and again she is saying keep quiet, pay attention, and the students are not paying attention. In the second instance, a second teacher goes, and once she goes inside, she starts off the topic and there is a pin drop silence. How? Because in first class, the teacher may be teaching something in which the students have no interest, like mathematics. Now mathematics, the students, they cannot relate it to it. But if there is a teacher who is teaching history, the students can relate to it. So you will find that wherever the students have interest or they have passion for this subject or they care for that subject, they will pay attention. They don't have it to be told कि pay attention. But जहाँ पे उनका interest नहीं है, वहाँ पे वो attention नहीं देंगे, they will not focus on it. In your case also, you can see that if you go back and see whatever you have achieved in life, you have achieved anything in life, that thing on which you had some passion about that thing or you cared about that thing. Those are the things which you are easily able to achieve it. But if you don't have any passion and you are asked to do something, I don't think you will be able to achieve it. So it is very, very important that we pay attention to it. Another example I'll tell you. You go to a movie hall, you watch a movie, there is a sad movie or a tragedy in that movie, you start crying. Are you crying to see the images? Are you crying because of the music? Or are you crying because of the actor? You are crying because you get involved with that character and you care for that character, you start crying. So it is wherever there is a caring, where there is a passion, the focus automatically comes. So what do we come to? We have come to this conclusion that if you have to follow my advice, that you must focus irrespective of COVID-19, because I have heard from a lot of people that the students, the other people, they are not able to concentrate because they are worried about COVID-19. Their focus is not on their subject or on their what they want to achieve. Their focus is on COVID-19. So my advice is that if you want to achieve concentration, if you want to achieve focus, then please find out something for which you care or something for which you are passionate about it. Now, how to go about it? It is a very simple. Please sit down with a paper and pencil and start writing whatever you want to do in life, what you love to do in life, and you will keep on doing that throughout your life, whether you are paid money or not. Keep on writing that. Or you keep on writing those things for which you care. Like there are COVID-19 going on, there are patients in the hospital, there are laborers who are moving from one place to another, they are walking hundreds of kilometers. So just keep on writing what you care about or what you are passionate about. And once you have exhausted in writing all these things, then prioritize them according to your emotions or feelings you get in that thing which you have written down. Once you have written down that, then identify first 2 to 3 things. Either it can be your passion or it can be things for which you care. And then, once you have identified those things, take top 2 and start doing it. And I can assure you, your concentration, your focus will be 100%. Because wherever there is a concentration, there is an achievement. And wherever you are preoccupied is the enemy of achievement. If you are doing something but you are preoccupied with something else, then I can assure you, you will not be able to achieve that. So, concentration you must have and preoccupation you must avoid. Now, each one of us has a core genius in us. And it is a fact, whether we accept it or we don't accept it. Only thing is, what can happen is that you can say, okay, I don't have core genius, but it is incorrect statement. Because each one of us has a core genius. Only thing is, some of us have found out what is our core genius. Some of us have not been able to find out. So this is the time you are sitting at home, find out what is your core genius. And once that core genius is a thing for which you are passionate about it. I'll give you an example. Tiger Woods. He plays golf. He is passionate about it. And you know, he plays golf, what he loves to do, and he is paid for that. These people are the con artists. They are the con entrepreneurs. Same the case is with Tony Robbins. He likes to speak. He likes to train people. And he loves to do that. And he is getting money to do what he loves to do. Take the case of the cricketers, IPL. They love playing cricket and they get paid for playing cricket. So this is what I am talking about. This is the core genius. If you have core genius and you are passionate about it, obviously you will be passionate about it if you have a core genius. And you start practicing that, you start implementing that, you start working on that, automatically people will start paying you for doing what you love to do. So the end, I will just repeat what I have said. Firstly, every one of us has a core genius. Only thing is we have to focus. How we focus? Either we care about that thing or we are passionate about it. In this COVID-19 situation, when we have got nothing else to do, my advice to all of you, especially to the students, is that during this period, please find out your core genius and start doing what I have told you. Thank you. Jai Hind.